Well, road crews are mounting a massive response to the snowstorm. We talked to road commission leaders in the Tri-County area about their plans. Macomb County will have roughly 50 drivers salting and plowing. Oakland and Wayne County tell us that they'll have 100 drivers out, with some staff doing 16 hours at a time. 7 News Detroit reporter Whitney Burney is in Detroit, hearing about how the city is planning to tackle the snow tonight. Whitney?
Well, hey, Mike, we've been out here for a couple of hours now, and I'm not sure if it's the camera's picking it up, but there's definitely some snow still falling. It hasn't exactly stopped drivers from getting where they need to go, but we have seen fewer of them in the last few hours or so. What we have been seeing more of is those salt trucks getting out, making sure that they're applying that salt to the road to make sure things are free and clear. And the city tells us they have additional contractors on standby in case things get really ugly tonight. As snow hits the ground in Detroit.
It's about to turn up, I can tell, but I just left school. They closed school after I just left.
Detroiters are preparing to hit the ground running, getting prepped as some areas could see up to 6 inches of snow.
Get prepared and go ahead and do what you gotta do to stay warm and protected.
I just left Walmart. I grabbed some firewood because we do have a fireplace, so that way we won't be like overrunning the heat, and just grab some groceries to last for the next couple days.
The city's Department of Public Works already activated, deploying salt trucks to keep roads safe and clear.
Some of you may have already seen some of our trucks out getting prepared for the upcoming event. So we've started out the process by pre-treating some of our major thoroughfares. So when the snow does begin to fall, we've already got that initial layer of protection.
DPW Director Ron Brundage says they'll have 35 to 40 trucks out and plan to split their workers into 2 groups to make sure all areas are covered round the clock. Brundage says during a storm like this, trucks could spread anywhere from 2,000 to 4,000 tons of salt.
In the city of Detroit, whenever we receive 6 inches or so of snow, we also activate contractors to come in and plow residential streets. All of our contractors have been notified and they're on standby. We're very prepared. Our drivers are excited.
Now, just a reminder, those salt and plow crews are going to be out overnight into the morning. They're asking neighbors in the city of Detroit to make sure you move your car over to the appropriate side so they can get the best plow possible. They do say they don't plan to give out tickets because they understand that there could be circumstances preventing you from doing so. Mike, Carolyn.
All right, now is the time to get ahead of everything that's on the way.
Absolutely. Move your car so they can do what they need to do, especially in your neighborhood. Thank you, Whitney.